So the problem we've got today is the rear handle of a Ford CMax. As you can see, it shouldn't do that, but there isn't anything wrong with the inside, but what it is doing is not being held in by the sliding mechanism here. This black cover here is over a screw that moves the sliding mechanism, so we're going to take that off. Like so. And down here, if you peer in, that little tiny silver bit at the end is where you're aiming for with the screw. In order to get to the screw in the door, you need a ratchet screw set with a long piece so that you can get down to the screw that's set by the door handle. We're using a Torx T20 bit, and we've taped round the end, so we really hope it doesn't fall off in the door. Okay, so now we're going to start moving those silvery bits along. You can see they are moving. So we're going to go forwards and backwards, and then I'm going to put the door handle bit in and secure it. So they've gone back. I'm going to put it in. Give it a little wiggle back a little further. Forward a bit. We need to get it lined up first. Forward, forward, forward. Don't think it's far enough yet.
Press it.
Forward, forward, forward. Right, nearly there. Yeah, it's in. Okay. So I'm holding it in. Okay, and hey presto, it doesn't come off. Thank you. We hope it works for your door too.